Next is scientific evidences in favor of continental drift theory. Scientific evidences in favor. There are 5-6 major evidence. One, jigsaw fit puzzle, land could be fixed. Second is geological evidences. Third, biological evidences or fossil evidences or paleontological evidences. Fourth, glacial or climatic evidences. Next is mineral deposits. Okay, these are the evidences given by whom? Coal and iron ore, especially coal deposits and what? Iron ore deposits. These are the evidences. Later studies, this is given by Wagner himself. Wagner contributed here. Others, two scientific evidences is paleomagnetic studies. Later on, paleomagnetic studies as well as sea floor spreading or parallel or magnetic strip along the ridges, mid-oceanic ridges. These are all scientific evidences. What is the 8th point I wrote? Parallel magnetic strip along what? Mid-oceanic ridges. Next, last point is divergence. Divergence of APWP curve, apparent polar wandering path. Just I will explain all these words. Divergence of APWP curve of continents. AP means apparent polar wandering path. APWP. These are later evidences, not by Wagner, please. Wagner is above. Let's say other people. These are more scientific. Divergence of APWP curve. These are all scientific evidence.